Hi guys, in this video we'll discuss how to unlock Trust Wallet USDT. As you can see, I am on the official app of Trust, and once you're here, make sure to connect your wallet. And once your wallet is connected, you will see all the cryptocurrencies here. So what you need to do is you will see these small notification kind of pop-ups. So make sure to find this pop-up called the add crypto from Binance or Coinbase. So just click on deposit now, and from here just select your currency. Let's say I want to select USDT, and click on USDT and copy the address and go back. And once you have done that, just scroll down and you will see the USDT, or if not, just click on manage crypto and search here USDT. And if it is turned off or on, so make sure to turn this back on. USDT, Tether, all of the USDT currencies. So that is how easily you can unlock all the USDT on Trust and do your transactions and transfers.